Hello, my name is Freddie Torres Jr., and I'm going to be talking to you about my field trip to Nipro Diagnostics in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Nipro Diagnostics is a leading company developing and marketing diabetes products. They are the largest manufacturer of store brand products for people with diabetes, type 1, type 2. Now, to name a few stores where Nipro Diagnostics has their products located in is CVS, Walgreens, and Walmart. That's just 3 stores out of the major stores that are actually out here today, and for our customers to receive proper treatment with their products. Now, Nipro Diagnostic packages contain high quality blood glucose monitoring system, and they also contain the monitoring strips to go with the monitors. Nipro Diagnostic is a large company with multiple positions. For example, a shipping clerk position, a market manager international position, and an international marketing traffic coordinator position are all located right now available at the Fort Lauderdale facility. On the day of the field trip, we were introduced to 3 gentlemen, all employees that play a major big role at Nipro Diagnostic on a daily basis. The first person we met was Eric. He was the production manager engineer, and his job is to ensure that the machines are running to its full potential. And Eric is also a black belt in Six Sigma. The second person we got to meet was John, and he was the packaging manager. His position is to ensure that all productivity and packaging go all well in the shipping department. John is also a green belt in Six Sigma. And finally, we also got to get introduced to the supervisor. His name was Patrick, and he was the supervisor for the Fort Lauderdale facility. Now, some of the connections between Nipro Diagnostic and the material that is learned in class go hand in hand to make sure that their equipment is run at full potential. Now, one of the connections between them is, of course, Statistic. Statistic plays a big role in ensuring that the product is shipped and weighed properly. For the statistic part that we use and learn in the classroom that Nipro uses for their company, of course, is Six Sigma, target weight, the 3 center of measure, which is mean, medium, and mode, just to name a few. With Statistic formula, the equipment weighs the packages to be within 4.1 to 5 grams. If it weighs more than 5 grams, the equipment, what they would do is they will go ahead and slide it to the side, and they will flag it for later review to be reviewed over by the person who's running the machine. Also, this is a 1 in 1 million chance of happening. Now, luckily, on the field trip, this actually happened where the equipment happened to flag one of the packages that actually had another set of instructions that weighed about 5.3 grams, and the actual equipment flagged it. Now, when this happened, everybody was in shock because these machines are so accurate to the actual measurement that this is almost impossible to have. Like I said earlier, it's a 1 in 1 million opportunity for this to happen. During the field trip, we actually get to interact closely to the employees, and you actually get to learn about multiple equipment. You get to learn about the engineering, the robotics, the electronics, and the HMI, which is actually the human machine interface, where the actual people actually have to do the settings for the equipment for the proper measurements, and to ensure that the machines are running to their full potential on when it comes to packaging diabetes products, because these products are so essential to the use of the medical field and used to the people that if they mess up, it could be the cost of someone's life. So these machines have to be so accurately, and it takes statistical formulas to actually make sure that everything is being run properly. Thank you today for listening to my speech, and I appreciate everything that I learned from the field trip and from the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.